Hi everyone, my name is Mikaila and today I'm going to be sharing with you some things that I thrifted recently, and this is a pretty large haul of things. I found some stuff that I have actually been looking for a long time, so I'm going to show that to you here in just a little bit, but we're actually just going to get right into it and we're going to start with one of my favorite things. So it is these really cute mugs. Look at these, they're so pretty. It's a set of 4. Here's the other 2. And these are just so beautiful. They do say Japan on the bottom, but I don't know anything about the brand or anything like that. But I absolutely love those. They came from an estate sale that is nearby to where I live, which doesn't happen often. So I was really excited about that. Next one is one that I got for my husband. It has this really pretty, it's a turkey or duck. Maybe it's a turkey, I don't know. But he really liked this mug, so this is for him. This next one is a teacup with a matching saucer. Now this is not old, it says made in China, so this would be a more recent piece, but I just think it's really pretty and I love teacups so much. Teacups and teapots, it's just really fun to decorate with them. Next is this really cool amber glass plate. It has the bicentennial stuff on it. I don't know if you can really see it that good or not. I hope that you can. But I just thought this was really, really pretty. And it does have the dates 1776 to 1976 United States bicentennial. This thing along those same lines is amber glass, but it's just a small cup. But amber glass is one of my favorite colors to have in my house, so I usually pick it up if I find it, and I just thought this one was really pretty, and it has this interesting texture on it, so I just thought that was super pretty. The next 2 pieces are actually ashtrays, and no one in this household smokes, but they are really pretty. This one is a crystal glass one. I just think it's really, really nice. And then this one here I like because it has this little handle right here, and it's kind of a bit of an odd shape. So I think I'm going to use this one for something in my house, and then I'm considering opening up an Etsy shop. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm going to, and I think I'm going to put this ashtray in there. Next is this really big holder. It has this flower plant design along the front, and I could use it like this and put something inside here, or I could turn it over and put something still inside of it, but it would be upside down. So I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but I just thought this was really pretty. I also found this vintage colander. It's this orange color, and it is definitely faded looking. It has some rust along the edges, but I'm not going to use this for food. I'm just going to use it to decorate in my kitchen. I'm not real sure about keeping this orange color. I'm going to see if I actually like that. But anyways, I just love old stuff, and I thought it would be so fun to decorate with in my kitchen. I also found this really beautiful plate. I'm probably just going to use this to decorate with, but it says Japan on the back, and then it has the brand Old Brook Collection Stoneware by Trailwoods. So I'm not familiar with it, but I will look it up on Google Lens later. I just love these colors, and I thought these flowers were so pretty. I also found this storage container. What interested me about this is that the top of it says Per Alimenti, made in Italy, and I love Italian things. I just think that's so neat, and I can always use little storage containers like this. This piece was actually new in the box, but you can put a little spoon there, but it doesn't have the spoon. But anyways, I'm going to use this for salt, just because it has the cute lid and it's easy to take on and off, and I needed a salt container, so I found this. Next is this key hook. Literally, it's a key that has hooks on it, but it's wood, and the back of it says Napcoware, Import Japan. You'll have to let me know if you are familiar with this brand, but I just thought it was really neat looking. I just think it's cute that there's a key shape that is probably meant to hold keys. I find that very interesting. We also found this shelf that has a moose up on the top. This is for my husband's office. He's going with a sportsman theme, so it will go in there for him to use. I also found this picture frame. I plan on using this in my sunroom. We are currently working on decorating it, and we do music stuff in there, so I thought this cello piece here would be really nice to use for decorating in that room. Next we have some trays, and I really like this one because of the designs that it has on the handle parts. The back of it does have a Japan sticker. It does say it's by Stanley Roberts. I'm not familiar with it, but I'll probably do some research later and see what all I can find about it. So this tray is a really bright silver. It says Irvinware on the back, made in USA. So I don't know anything about that, and I can't really be sure if that's what the words say on the back because I cannot tell. I don't know if you're going to be able to go, oh man, because you can see my camera. But anyways, I'll also have to look this one up. I just really like silver stuff lately. I'm wanting to use it in different parts of my house. I usually prefer silver that looks older and more tarnished, but I thought I would at least try that brighter tray, and then if I don't like it, I can always pass it on to someone else. Okay, so this tray is another silver piece, but this one has wood handles on the side, and it doesn't have any markings, but the wood handles is what drew me to this one. And these all came in a box of stuff, so I just ended up with a lot of trays out of that box, which is fine because, like I said, if any of them that I don't like, I can always just pass them on to someone else. Okay, so this is not something that I typically buy just because I forget to look in this section, but I found a sheet and 2 matching pillowcases. It just has this really nice red gingham style, and it will look so great on my guest bed. It is a queen size set, and I don't know, I just never think of looking for linens, but that day I just so happened to walk over there and I seen these and I was like, those are actually really pretty. And they match what I want to do in my guest room. So eventually when we get to decorate and put that room together, I will definitely be sharing that with you on here. This was one of my favorite finds. It is this pretty large picture. I just love it so much, and the wood frame is just beautiful. So, funny story with this one. When we were in the thrift store that this was at, my husband had looked over on this shelf and he said, I think that actually used to be in my grandma's house. And as soon as he said it, I was already walking over there to get it. And I was like, I really like that. I think I'm gonna get it. But it just made me laugh because I love Grandmacore and I love Cottage things. And it was just funny that my husband actually seen a picture that his grandma used to have in her house. Next is this set of 6 placemats. I just love these so much, and these make me think of my granny. She either had these exact placemats or she had something similar. So as soon as I seen them, I instantly wanted to get them just because they reminded me of her. But I only have a table that seats 4, so I guess I'll either pass the 2 extras on, or I'll save them in case we have like a big get together here or anything. But they are a little bit misshapen, so I'm gonna have to put them somewhere and then put like some big heavy books on them so that way it'll flatten them all back out, but that is not a problem. Now I want to show you the piece that I have actually been looking for. It's probably going to surprise you because it's not, I guess some people wouldn't think it was that exciting, but it is for me. And it's one of these shelves, the ones like this that like expand out like an accordion. So I have been seriously looking for these everywhere and I never see them. But this one just so happened to be at a thrift store and I got lucky and found it. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I just could not believe that I found one, and I think it was around $2. So I feel like that was a pretty good price for a shelf. Next is this set of 2 really cottage looking pictures. I just love these, and it says that they are from Montgomery Ward, and they were $14.99 at one time, but I just think the pictures in them are so pretty, and I do love the frames as well. It will look so nice next to each other somewhere in my house. I don't know where they're gonna go. The thing is a lot of times when I'm thrifting, I don't always have an exact plan. I guess that's like kind of the whole thing about thrifting, is like a treasure hunt. You don't know what you're gonna find. I will sometimes have in my mind what I want to find, like things that are on my list, kind of like that accordion shelf. But typically, I just kind of go for what I'm drawn to. So if something seems like it's my style, I usually just go for it unless I know I have too much at home, which does end up happening because I really like thrifting a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to share some books with you. So this one here is Winnie the Pooh storybook collection. This is for my nieces. When they come over, I can read this to them. I just thought it was a really nice book, and she would love me reading this to her. Then I found this book. I just thought it would look super nice as a coffee table book. I believe it was only like 50 cents, so it wasn't bad at all. And I think it came from Dollar General, and it was only like $3 at one time, which I feel like for a new book, that's a pretty good price. And it kind of surprises me that it was that much new, because coffee table books on like Amazon and stuff can actually get kind of expensive. So I love to decorate with books, but I'm actually working on a specific project that I need quite a few books for. So I have really been keeping my eye out for them. This one is a really large dictionary. I just thought the colors were pretty, that looks burgundy and gold. This one is from 1988, so it's not really that old, but that's okay. It's still vintage and I really like it. This next one is a older age green book, and then it has this gold writing on the side. Again, just for decorating. Then I found this one. It's tan, and then it has this blue writing. I liked it because I am doing a blue colored theme in my living room. So I do keep my eye out for different color themes for whatever rooms I'm working on. Then I found this one. I just liked this color and the writing on the side. I'm always looking at the sides to see if they're gonna look good when I'm decorating with them. So I found that one. And then I found this kids book. Again, this is for my niece, but I just thought this was a really cool book. Even if she doesn't like it, I can decorate with it. It is from 1967, so I just thought that was so fun. The next is another dictionary. I just really like how these big dictionaries look, and this one is a deeper blue, again with gold writing. As you can probably see, I really like gold a lot. So I feel like I'm always looking for that, but I just thought it looked super nice. If you can imagine like decorating with it, whether you stand it up or you stack it like this. I just feel like I was really blessed with so many cool things recently, and I could not wait to show you. So this last item is a Call of Duty game. Now this is for my husband, but he loves video games, and apparently this was a really good deal. He got it for $3, and I guess online they're like $30. So he was really excited to find this. Okay, so that is everything that I have to share today. I really hope that all of you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment below and let me know what was your favorite piece that you seen today and what I shared. I would love to know. But thank you guys so much for watching. God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.